Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today I'm going to show you how to add formula how to access to archives on Monday web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your working space or to open your Monday website by going to your browser and type monday.com, and then you will be able to access to the Monday website, and then you will need to create an account by signing up with your email. If you don't know have, or if you do already have an account, just log in into it, and then you will need to follow these simple steps. So basically, to access to your archive, you will need to go to your working space, your board, and then you will need to go to the 3 point action, and by clicking on it, it will appear this pop-up menu, and here we'll find the view archive and trash, and by that you will see these two choices or two items. We click on archive, and by that you will find all the archived items. So let's go back to our board. Let's archive some items. So for example, these ones, let's delete not deleted, but we want to archive them. So let's just click on archive, and here we go back to the archive, and basically we will find the items that we have just archived now. And to restore them, you can just go to action, click on restore, and they will go back to the items or to your board. So basically this is how you can access to archive. Thank you for watching and see you next time.